Hello. Frequent pattern analysis. This is what we'll be introducing today. We have statements like want to make targeted marketing campaigns since customers are clustered based on their past purchase behavior. So, how do you think this statement is being made? What is the science or the logic or the math behind it? That is frequent pattern mining, and we are going to study this today. So, what is frequent pattern analysis? Pattern is a set of items, subsequences, substructures, and when these occur frequently in a data set, they are called frequent patterns. And why is this important? Because if you can find these regularities in data, these can be used for recommendations, for decision making, for planning, and many other. Recommendations like the sales recommendations, or you can recommend the OTT content, somebody you have watched or you have seen from their past viewing behavior, a certain kind of movies or TV shows they like. So you can recommend similar mode to them. Decision making in analysis of network failures or road accidents, you can make certain decisions as to what should be followed. And similarly, planning in layout of items in shops. These are only very few number of examples or scenarios which we have given here. There are many, many more. So why is frequent pattern analysis important? Because it can be used in many tasks like association. You find association between the purchases or between the failures, and you can make insightful deductions. Correlation between again behaviors of people or behavior of customer, your clients. Clustering using frequent patterns, you can cluster people, like you can cluster the purchase behavior. Based on purchase behavior, you can group people, or you can group the students to offer them tutorials or offer them special classes or maybe some additional study material, or you can coax them to join some special uh, classes. Classification using frequent patterns, you identify the patterns and you can classify, make categories, and you do further decisions based on that. And typical examples of frequent pattern mining are market basket analysis. We'll take a small example in our next video. Then recommender systems, recommendation of sales, recommendations of movies, or recommendation of the classes or the courses which somebody can take and better prepare for a career. Fraud detection, web usage mining, social network analysis, healthcare. So many places you can fly. So in analysis of road accidents, you could take some the data regarding the near junction or faulty signals or faulty lighting, whether safety belt was used, whether helmet was being used in a accident involving two-wheeler vehicles, whether the weather was rainy, road surface, and so on. And you can make decisions such as strict monitoring of junctions, signals, lighting, and similarly. So these recommendations can go up to maybe the authority level or for the local monitoring of the junctions, and you can use it for the a good societal application benefit. Similarly, in your transactions, purchase transactions, you see a pattern like somebody bought a PC, then a camera, digital camera, then a memory card. So a customer who comes to your shop and you see that he has purchased these two, then you can talk about recommending the third purchase also to him. So sales recommendations. So frequent pattern analysis, by doing that, you can actually make this possible, like 60% confidence that a person who buys a baby cot will also buy a perambulator. Because that is what you have seen in past purchases. Young parents, when they come and there's a baby in the house, infant in the house, and they do these purchases one after the other. Accidents avoidance. So 50% accidents may be avoided if traffic junction monitoring is done based on the patterns. And if customers are clustered, you can do targeted marketing campaigns. And there are more such important decision making statements which you can do if we are able to identify the regular patterns occurring in our transactions, in our usage of, say, the web pages, or the usage of the TV content which we watch, or the study materials we refer to as a teacher, as a student. So that means it is an interesting topic to venture further into, and that is what we will do in our future videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you.